Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, navigation system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.